Hello and welcome back to ElevenLabs series. Have you ever wondered what would it sound like if a particular video was made in your voice? Now, you don't have to wonder anymore. You can actually check this out in ElevenLabs. Let's go ahead and check out how a video which was made by somebody else in their voice can be transferred into our voice. Let's get started. So we saw text to speech yesterday. Okay, let's look at voice changer and voice isolator today. Before that, I would like to go to voices just to show you how we can select a particular voice, right? So we have explore, we have my voices. My voices is basically what we have added to our voice list, right? And default voices is whatever is default from ElevenLabs, right? Let's go to explore, and here, as I mentioned yesterday, you could actually filter out, for example, Hindi. Okay, you can also choose accent, okay, like Bengali or Bhojpuri or Bihari, Gujarati, and so on and so forth. This is quite a lot of filtering, right? So let's see Bhojpuri. Do we have? Yes. Let's play this and check out.
किसी भी युद्ध में बिना जीत की इच्छा के प्रवेश करना घातक है।
सूरज पूर्व में उगता है और पश्चिम में अस्त होता है।
Okay, let's quickly check some other accent, like Bihari. Let's play this.
उससे की शहर के लोग
बड़ा बड़ा सपना देखेला, ऊ कहेला कि हम ई करब, हम ओ करब, बाकिर जब असली मेहनत की बात आवे, हम तो हमेशा यही कहते, आज मुश्किल है तो कल आसान होई, बस मेहनत और भरोसा दोनों छोड़े मत जाना।
Okay, you can see that it's actually replicating the particular accent. You would be able to tell me better if this actually is sounding like your accent or not. Okay, anyways, we have conversational, okay, narration, characters, social media, educational, and all of that. So you can also filter them out. And if you like any of these, then you can click on this and copy voice link or copy voice ID, view similar, and so on and so forth. Or you can also click on this plus icon to add this particular voice into my voices. So for example, Jeet, raw unfiltered accent. So if I click on this plus, this gets added to my voices here. Let's just wait. So I can go here and I should be able to see that Jeet is added over here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, it's added over here, right? So that's the voice. I just wanted to quickly show you this. We can actually create our voice from here. Okay, and we have voice design, we have instant voice clone, and then professional voice clone. This requires a business plan. Okay, and we've already shared how do we do this in one of our previous videos. So if you have not watched it, watch it so that you can clone your own professional voice. I'll close this and we will move on to voice changer, right? So here what we can do is upload an audio or video and change it to a different voice. Okay, let's quickly check that. And for that, I would be uploading an audio file. So let's say sample audio file download. We need some speech recognition. Let's go here.
The stale smell of cold beer lingers. It takes heat to bring out the odor. A cold dip restores health and zest. A salt.
Okay, I need to register, so let me quickly do that. I don't need this. Click on next. Privacy and terms, I agree. Okay, it's downloading. So I'll just unzip it, keep it ready. I'll close this. Let's go back. And here I'm going to upload the file. And let me go to downloads and upload this file. Now I can select who is the person that it has to be cloned to, or what is the voice that we want to give, right? So here we can select, and let's say we go to Shubham. Let's hear it out.
The vast universe of technology is an endless adventure.
Okay, so I'm going to select this, right? And then I'll click on generate speech. Now if I play this,
The stale smell of old beer lingers. It takes heat to bring out the odor. A cold dip restores health and zest. A salt pickle.
so generally what happens is when you get the original voice from, let's say, US, and then try to replicate that with Indian accent, Okay, it could be the same language, but if you try to convert that to Indian language, then the output is not as good. Okay, but if I go here, if I go to explore and English accent, let's say, I would say American, right? Educational is fine, gender, not female, male.
Let me guide your audience with a clear, modern.
With everything going on in the.
Okay, let's say I'll try with Matt. Let's try it once.
Okay, let's go ahead and dive a bit.
Okay, let's go with Tyler. Okay, and I'm going to generate speech.
The stale smell of old beer lingers. It takes heat to bring out the odor.
Let me play the original.
The stale smell of old beer lingers. It takes heat to bring out.
You see, it has got changed and it looks or sounds natural. But when we tried to do it with Indian accent, it sounded a bit weird, right? So this is what we have observed. Okay, now let me try to do this with my professional voice clone that we had. I don't expect it to be natural, but let's give it a try.
The stale smell of old beer lingers. It takes heat to bring out the odor. A cold dip restores health and zest. A salt pickle tastes fine with ham. Tacos al pastor are my favorite. A zestful food is the hot cross bun.
Let me know in the comments, was it close to my voice or not? Okay, so that's about voice changer, where you can upload any video or audio file, and then we will be able to clone it to any other voice that we want. Okay, now we also have voice isolator, which basically is removal of any noise from the background. So if you go to voice changer and then you upload the file, let's say for example I upload the same file again, right? We also have remove background noise here. Okay, in case if there is any background noise in this particular audio, it will be removed. Okay, but in this particular case, it will not just remove this, but it will also add a different voice. But if you just want to remove background noise and keep the audio as is, then we could use this one, right? So let me just have one file with some background noise. Let me check if I can get it. Voice audio file with voice over and background noise. So I don't have any file which has some background noise. So let me try to create one from here. I'll click on record audio. And if you're doing it for the first time, it will also ask you for access to your microphone. I've used it. Let me go to some other microphone. Let's say this one. And I'm going to record it. I'm just going to tap on my table so that it adds some noise. Hello and welcome to the video. I'm going to make some noise, and I hope it is able to capture my voice clearly, and I hope we'll be able to remove this background noise. So let's quickly check it. I'm going to stop it. So I've recorded and got this file. If I want multiple files, I could also add it from here, but let's just hit enter. Right, so this is 17 seconds.
Hello and welcome to the video. I'm going to make some noise, and
I hope it is able to capture my voice clearly, and I hope we'll be able to remove this background noise. So let's quickly hit. There you go. You actually saw that there was no noise at all in this particular audio, right? The audio recording didn't go so well because I'm not using the primary mic over here. I'm using the primary mic for the shooting, and hence the recording has not come out well, but there is no background noise at all, right? So that's what you can do with voice changer and voice isolator. Now you might be wondering, what if I want to upload the video and I also want to get an output in the video format, but voice changed? That could be done in Studio. Okay, we have a new blank project and it asks you video project or audio project. We can go to video project and do it from there. But for now, let's keep it simple and let's move on to the next one in the upcoming videos. So thank you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you try changing someone else's voice to some voice available in ElevenLabs. Or if you could buy the business plan and try with your own professional voice, that will be great too. So let me know what experiment did you try in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.